let's see how this goes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rochelle for those of you who are new. Thanks for clicking on and stopping on this video. In this video, I'm gonna be giving a mini haul. Actually, it's not that mini. I'm just gonna be showing you some of the things that I got because it's been a minute. And I collected a few things, including my graduation dress. I might put that in a separate video, but I do still want to do this here because it is a haul. So yeah, I'm just going to be showing you some of the things that I got this month and a little bit of last month. Let's go. Okay, so this is gonna be all over the place because literally, guys, I didn't organize any of it, but I can tell you where it's from. And as always, I'm gonna do my best to link everything. So first thing that I have is a scarf because it's right next to me. I got this scarf from TJ Maxx, specifically because it looks like Burberry. So I feel like from far away, it looks like the Burberry pattern. It's not Burberry, obviously. I want to say Steve Madden, but I'll correct myself if not. I got it at TJ Maxx. I was Christmas shopping and I just saw this from far and I was like, oh, you know what? This looks really nice. It looks like a nice little Burberry dupe. I do want to get myself a Burberry scarf, but in the meantime, I feel like this is a pretty cute dupe or replacement or placeholder till I can get me a real Burberry scarf. So this was the first thing I got. I want to say it was like $29. It's either $29 or $20 or $15, something in that range. I don't remember it being a lot, so I want to say it was like $20. Something like that. Yeah, I'll link it down below. I'll do my best to link it down below anyways, if I can find it. If not, I'll do my best to find something similar with that same like Burberry plaid thing. I'm really obsessed with it. I can't wait to wear it. I've already started wearing it. I wore it twice. I wore it with like sweats. I wore it with beige sweats when I went out once. I don't remember where I went, but it was all beige sweats. And then I wore it on my graduation dinner with my family. I wore not plain black outfit. I wore jeans. It was like blue jeans, skinny jeans, black boots, tight turtleneck top, and then my oversized coat. And then I just threw this on and guys, it felt like money. I thought it was cute. It really did complement the outfit. So guys, if you are wanting the Burberry vibes without the Burberry price, this is her. This right here. Ooh, okay. So the next thing that I got some activewear from this brand called Adanola. I don't know how to pronounce it. This is what's gonna surprise you the most. It's a color. It's a color and it's not brown or navy blue or sky blue. It is another color. It's green. So I think I saw it on Pinterest or something, or maybe TikTok. I can't remember. That's really how I've been getting some inspiration lately for some activewear and loungewear, is like TikTok and Pinterest. So I saw it. I'm pretty sure I saw it on an ad or something like that. And I was like, oh, that looks cute. I don't think I saw this exact color. I saw a white one. But I remember seeing Jasmine Tooks in an olive colored activewear. So I was like, okay, it doesn't look that bad on a, you know, it looks pretty good on brown skin tone. Like, I feel like it really complements it. I don't think her skin tone is exactly mine, but she's got brown skin. So I had the reference, even if we're a little off. So yeah, what I got was some leggings, and these are not, the only complaint is that I'm short, so I didn't, maybe they had one specifically for it, but I didn't see it. Well, I wasn't really looking out for it. I kind of just got it because it was cute. It's a bit on the long side, so my leggings, I prefer for it to be just slightly above my ankle, or at least on my ankle. This one kind of crinkles a little bit on my ankle because it's long, it's tall people friendly. So just keep in mind for that if you want to buy that. But honestly, I'll forgive it. It's a workout outfit, so it's not that big of a deal. It's just a preference. Along with the leggings, I also got the sports bra, and I love that you don't need a bra. It's got padding in the inside, but the padding is not like super annoying where it's like these weird circles that show. It hides very well. I only wish that I bought the top. I thought I bought it, but I guess I didn't. They do come with, no, they don't come as a set, but they have like they have colors in they have a variation of colors for their different clothing items. So I thought I bought a long sleeve shirt in this same color. Apparently I didn't, so I'll probably get that. If not, a white top or something along that line to kind of match with this, because I'm not the kind of person that'll just wear a sports bra alone with my workout clothes. It doesn't matter how hot I am. Maybe in yoga, but even then, it's just like, I'm not focusing on the workout alone or the thing alone if like I'm just like tugging and pulling and messing and just trying to make sure everything's secured. So yeah, I want to get the top, but I definitely, I'm obsessed with it. So what size is this anyway? This is in a medium. Oh, tall. Maybe I messed up. Okay, so it says medium tall. I'm gonna check the website to see if they have like different leg lengths, because this says medium tall. So I'm thinking I messed up and there was probably a short or petite or something. I don't know. So I think I messed up. I would definitely recommend these though. They're nice, they feel good. We'll have to stay tuned to see how long they last or how well they do in the wash. I washed it once, so far so good. Let's see after several. What's next? Okay, so the next item that I will show you is this dress. It's a white dress. It's from Princess Polly, and I got this straight off of TikTok, guys. When I was wondering what kind of dresses to get for graduation, like what I wanted to wear, I had an idea, but the stores around me, they just don't do it for me. I couldn't find anything, or the sizing was off, or they just didn't have the size I wanted. I knew the kind of dress that I wanted, and unfortunately graduation caught me in party season, New Year's Eve season, so every dress around had sequins, and I didn't want sequins. I didn't want sequins for my graduation dress. It didn't feel like the appropriate kind of dress to wear for graduation. I don't know. At least to me, it didn't. So yeah, I went on TikTok. I typed up graduation dresses. Thank goodness. These lovely ladies. Guys, if you ever are questioning anything in life, get on TikTok. If you need to know where to eat in your town, go on TikTok. If you need to know what to wear, go on TikTok. People will help you out. Anyways, I can't credit exactly who, because I really don't know. I don't remember, and I don't think I saved it, so yeah. Anyways, it's this dress from Princess Polly. It's got kind of a cowl neck. So I got it in a size 6. I wish I remember what the dress is called, but yeah, I think you'll know once I put it on, once I show you on, because I think it's a well-known dress. So that's what it looks like. It's a very princessy type of dress. It's got kind of a corset style area here in the belly area, which I really like. It's very flattering. The back is like a square back, which is cute. It's a very cute dress. I like that you don't necessarily need a bra with this, because with this kind of dress you can't wear a traditional bra because the neckline is kind of wide, so you'd want to wear like a sleeveless bra or like stickers or something along the lines of that. But, well, I should specify if you have larger boobs, you might want to secure some things, because this is loose. Even for me, it's pretty loose. But if you have smaller boobs, you likely don't need a bra, which is pretty cool. Yeah, so that was that dress from Princess Polly. I don't remember how much it cost, so you will find the details somewhere. I did not wear that dress for graduation. I ended up going for a different dress that I also got from TikTok, and it is, wish it was in a better condition because it's just not looking cute. I just took it out of the wash and hung it up, but I didn't wrap it back up. But it is a wrap style dress from Runway the Label. I think that's what the brand is called. I've never heard of this brand before seeing it. Sorry, give me one moment to actually like fix it so it looks like something and not like a garbage bag. So here's I'm trying. I really am trying, but here's the dress. And as you can see, like the lapels on the dress, it's kind of like a blazer style. So it's like it's a wrap dress, but it's kind of like a white shirt or blazer style dress. I'm gonna put this down. You'll just have to work with the clips. And I went with that one because it's definitely more my style. It's definitely more my speed. It's my vibe. The color is white. And I personally, guys, I'm gonna show you my graduation pictures. I felt like a Victoria's Secret angel wearing that dress. Like, I felt like I was giving goddess. Like, my hair was done, it was curled, I was wearing nude shoes. I felt amazing. So yeah, this dress from Runway the label, something like that, I definitely recommend. I want to say I got it in medium or size 6. Yeah, I got it in a size 6. It's very flattering. It's a wrap dress. I think wrap dresses are pretty flattering on a lot of people. So yeah, I definitely, if there's anything you get out of this video, I would get that dress and wear it for your next Christmas party, New Year's Eve, birthday, whatever, first date, second date, anniversary, proposal, courthouse wedding. Get that dress because it's, guys, okay, so next, since we're talking about graduation attire, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the shoes that I wore for graduation. And these are the shoes that I bought. You might have seen them in my last video, and I said I wasn't really gonna talk about it, but I was going to post the link in case you wanted to buy them. So I didn't want to talk about it because I just wanted to save it for like a bigger haul. I'm not really sure why. I don't know why. But yeah, these are the shoes that I got. They're from Tony Bianco. They're nude. So originally I wanted to get Manolos. I wanted to get blue Manolos for my graduation because the color is the exact color of my school. Like, it's my school colors. My school colors is like this like royal blue. I wish I had something to show you. It's a royal blue, which is like the exact color of the Manolo Blahniks, you know, the one I'm talking about with the little buckle on the thing. It's like the satin pumps. That's the classic. The Carrie Bradshaw shoe. I don't know why I'm explaining this like you're a person who doesn't understand what I'm talking about. But I wanted to get that originally, and I was fully prepared to get that shoe, guys. I'm not kidding. And then I was like, no, it's blue. Like, it'll literally be something that sits on a shelf until, like, I don't know. So I talked myself out of it. Then I was like, oh, you know what? There's 2 other shoes that I want to wear. And hear me out. I know it's winter, but like, I wanted to wear the YSL Opium shoe. And the reason why I wanted to get that shoe is because I wanted to also wear it for my birthday, because the shoe is, but everybody says it's not a shoe you can walk in. It is death to your feet. So that was out. Then I wanted to get the John Vito Rossi's. I forgot what they're called, but the clear ones, they kind of look like this, but they're like that. It's like a cap toe thing, and then it's on the back. And I can't remember why I didn't get it. I think at that point I was running out of time, and I was like, you know what? We're gonna go with something cheaper. We're not doing designer for graduation. Well, maybe we'll revisit that for birthday or something like that. So yeah, that was a very long story to explain why I got Tony Bianco's. But yeah, I got Tony Bianco's, and I thought a nude would be a good idea because I wanted the attention to be on the dress. Why does the shoe look like grandma shoes in the camera? It's not looking cute in the camera. I think it's because the heel is not high, but it's okay. I think it turned out very nice. I really like the shoe. It's very comfortable. It's a very safe shoe for just different events. So yeah, now I have another shoe for going out if I ever get invited to a wedding, or it's a good pump, you know. Maybe even work for work because it's just a nude pump that, yeah, it's got the Dior style. Yeah, so I got these. I think it was somewhere in the 100s or the 200s or something. I'll link it down below. Comfort level, they're okay. They're okay. As far as heels go, I feel like they're pretty average. They're like the average pump, stiletto pump. I think I'm pretty good at walking in heels, so I was comfortable. My mom was not. She said no. So if you're not good in wearing heels, don't get these. But I would say that about any kind of stiletto pump. But I think it can get you a few hours of walking. Like, I walked comfortably to my graduation, not to my graduation, graduation, we drove, of course, but to the event center, which was across the street from the parking lot, through my graduation, like, you know, around the thing, across the stage, all of that. Out of my graduation, we went to this area, took pictures, and then we went to eat. So we went to a restaurant, and I think up until the point after the restaurant, when we were walking to the car, that's when my feet were hurting. So yeah, it got me a couple of hours, but that was with me sitting a lot. So maybe they're not super comfortable. I don't know. They're decent enough. Like if you're going to dinner, you can wear these shoes. So the next thing that I have for this haul, and I really like this one just because it's a basic. You guys know how I feel about my basics. I got this from Meshki. It's a bodysuit. It's a nude bodysuit. It's like a cream or natural color. I'm not really sure what they're calling it on the website. I feel like it's cream. And I know I have a lot of stuff in my wish list from Meshki, but I just never got around to buying it. The thing that made me check out, I guess, was I think I saw a video. No, it was a video from Haley Gamba, a YouTuber, Haley Gamba, and she had it on, and I was like, oh, it looks good on her. So yeah, let me just get it. Because I feel like not all bodysuits are equal. Some just aren't flattering on some body types. Like that's just the truth of the matter. And so I do rely on certain YouTubers to know how something would look on me. And I felt like that was a good video to let me know that, yeah, that was the green light for me. So thanks, Haley Gamba. I'm obsessed with this bodysuit. Again, it's from Meshki. It's kind of got a, that's not even a mock neck. It's more like a crew neck. Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know what else to say about the bodysuit. It's just really cute. It reminds me of Skims bodysuits, but without this high price. I think I paid like 30 something for it, $30 or $40. I can't remember. That's also pretty high, but nowadays that's pretty standard for any kind of clothing type. Now it's like $30 to $40 for a top. So yeah, I've already started wearing this. I wore this twice. I wore it to a nice dinner somewhere with my sister. And I think I wore it once with sweats. So it's pretty versatile. I think I want to do a video with all of my bodysuits, just styling all of them. My last video was me styling my Aritzia bodysuit, but yeah, I want to do one with all of my bodysuits. Comment down below if you're watching, if you're there at 19 minutes and 18 seconds. If you are there and you care to comment if you want to see a styling video of all of my bodysuits. So this is the last thing that I got. So I just ran into H&M randomly one day. I think my sister needed to meet me somewhere, and so I waited for an H&M, and I got this really big sweatshirt that's size XXL, and I love this. Honestly, guys, I love this sweatshirt. It's literally just a plain crew neck sweatshirt, but it's nude, and it just makes really good loungewear, a really good, like, just throw on anything and run out the house. I wasn't intending on buying this, but I saw it and I was like, oh yeah, and it's oversized. That right there was like a winner to me. So yeah, I got that. It was probably like $19 or something like that. $14, $19. I'll link it down below. Again, it was from H&M. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Let me know what in this video you like the most. If you want to shop any of the items you see here, you can find links to everything down below in the description box. Please remember to subscribe and give this video a like and share it with your friends, because guys, I'm trying to get somewhere with my YouTube channel. I've been on here for years, and yeah, yeah. I'll see you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.